Freaking heck. Guys, oh my freaking heck. Animal Crossing is now on the freaking, what is it? Samsung iPhones or whatever. I think it just came out today. I don't freaking know. I'm also downloading Crossing Mino. This is installing on my frick, on my frick, on my frick. I'm gonna make a video using this. I like food. Food is the best thing ever. I freaking did Sims. Get the so many Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my heck. But I don't know if it's gonna come on the Switch. And guys, oh my heck. Yeah, your device settings, okay. I'll link my account. Ew. Okay, I just linked it. Don't worry about saving this game. Well, auto-save your data, okay. You're ready to download game data? This update. Continue. Okay. Hey, Lucid Camping Gear. Oh, couldn't read that. Pop. Almost halfway. More than halfway. This is taking forever. I want to play. Yes, done. Ooh. Okay. I must go Animal Crossing. I'll just call it PC. Animal Crossing PC. Let's do Let's Plays on this. Yay. No loading. Yes, I love this man. Josh, nice. Hey there, welcome to Animal Crossing PC. Would it be cool if I asked you a question right off the bat? Sure. Let's say you're on vacation starting tomorrow. What would you do? The world is yours. I'd explore nature. I'd go far away. I'd just chill out. You and me both. You and me both, my friend. Sometimes I wonder if I should have been a fisherman. Well, I think you're headed in the right direction. Enjoy the peace and quiet, and go at your own pace. I'm gonna go supersonic fast. Okay, right on. It's been good talking to you. Here, our paths will cross again someday. I love this man. He's so freaking adorable. Cause it's a freaking dog. Who doesn't like dogs? If you don't like dogs, then you should die. Just kidding. Quit loading. Create a character. Get ready to play by customizing the little character. Don't worry, you can change these things. Okay. Obviously, I'm a girl. Just kidding. Oh my god, Naruto hair. Oh, that's so loud. Okay. I guess this. Ew. That's so freaking cute. My hair color will be... Wait, that's red. Okay, that color... My eye color is brown. I'll just keep it black because it looks better. Skin tone... I'm that white. Proceed. Looking good? No. So I'm probably gonna upload like 10 minutes each time of this game. So yeah. It's so beautiful. I'll be quiet. It's Isabel. Controls. Okay. If you drag your finger across the screen, it will follow along. Tap anyone or anything that catches your eye. There's lots to discover. Questions you can always check out the beginner's guide. Whoosh. I can run? Okay. Ah, welcome. You must be the new cam manager. I've been waiting for... It's great to meet you. I'm the what? Which one should I say? Okay. No need to be modest. I've heard great things about you. Now I have you all registered and everything, but I'm not quite sure how to pronounce your name. Please keep in mind that the other players will be able to see your nickname and appearance. Okay. I would type in my Nintendo nickname, Charlie Rocks. Yes. Yes, me. Campsite Charlie Rocks. My name's Isabel. It's my pleasure to show you around and explain how things work. As camp manager, you got the run of this place. You can set up amenities, I guess, and furniture any way you like. There are so many possibilities. So this is basically New Leaf and Happy Home Designer put together into one big thing on like Android and stuff, I guess. And of course, since it's such a spacious campsite or whatever, you'll be able to host quite a few guests. Yay! Sounds good. Great. Now I just need a tiny bit more time to take the place perfect for you and your guests. Oh, and a bit of information too. Tell me, how would you describe your ideal campsite in one word? Cute. Sure. I like pink. Got it. Ugh. I need to stop. I can't wait to show off the place when it's all ready. Actually, now that I think about it, would you be able to help me out a teensy bit? I'd like to get you all set up with the brand new furniture, but I'm a little short on craft materials. Why don't you drive that shiny new camper over to the breezy hollow and see if anyone needs help? Guys, I'm gonna stop the video right here because it's almost been 10 minutes, so peace out.